Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to replace this old decrepit Vanity with this new Vanity. So stay tuned. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do, that we always do, is make sure our power's off, which we're going to use this voltage tester to make sure that we get our power off. So first, you can hear we have power, and then we're going to kick off this breaker, and we flip our breaker off, make sure the power's off. Alright guys, so we have our breaker off, and again we're going to test it just to make sure. And again, we have no power here. So that's the first thing that we want to make sure that we do. The reason why we were replacing this is because these sockets started to go bad. I did replace one of them, and it was just more trouble to replace these internal sockets by rewiring them through these tentacle-like arms off the fixture. And so instead of just replacing all 4 of them individually, which was more effort than it was worth, we just decided to replace this entire fixture. So that's why we're doing this today. All right, so the first thing that we're gonna do is I'm gonna remove this old fixture now that we know that the power's off. So I'm just gonna take my pliers here and just take this top knot off the front. And this comes right off. So now that you see the back side of this, you can see that we have the different wires. We have our main ground and we have our 2 power wires here. And that's pretty much all that we have to hook up. This connection here actually is the same one that we have with the new fixture, so we're actually just gonna reuse this piece. Again, no power. It's always good to double and triple check. Now we're going to install our new one. I'm going to make it pretty easy to understand exactly what goes to what. You got white and you got black. These are already tethered together from the manufacturer. So all you have to do is pair white to white, black to black, and your ground to ground. You want to make sure that you also have all these exposed wires completely covered, because none of those should be touching the ground wire, and you don't want that system to ground out on itself. So we'll go ahead and reinstall our new one. Here's our new light installed. We're just going to make sure that it's nice and level across here. We just went ahead and adjusted using the same hardware that was there. All our wires are hooked up. We're going to go ahead and test, make sure that our power on is good, and then we will finish getting all the rest of the accessories attached onto here, and we're good to go. And we turn our power back on. Take these retainer rings off. Slide those back on. Put our retainer rings back on. And just the same procedure for all 3. So thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos just like this, and we'll see you in the next one.